project organizational structure is an essential configuration for determining the hierarchy of people, their function, workflow, and reporting system. It is a factor in business that plays a fundamental role in guiding and defining the way in which the organization carries out its operations. There are different project organizational structures defined according to the area in which the organization operates and activities related to the core business. If an organization is dealing with temporary jobs, for example, the structure will probably better manage the recruitment and dismissal of employees as needed. The organizational structure depends on many factors, such as the style of government, the style of leadership, the type of organization, the workflow, the hierarchy, etc. The PMBOK orders organizational structures into 8 types: organic or simple organization, functional or centralized organization, multi-divisional organization, matrix organization, strong, weak, or balanced, virtual organization, PMO, project-oriented, composite or hybrid organization, hybrid, organic or simple organization. This type of organizational structure is the simplest. Businesses composed of only one person are also included in this category. In this type of organization, also freelancers are included. Of course, the role of the project manager is partly covered by the owner or the professional, who personally manage the workflows. Functional or centralized organization. This type of organizational structure is the most commonly used. In a functional organizational structure, the organization is divided into various departments where people with similar skills gather together. It is the classic configuration in which the staff is structured in areas and departments such as the sales department, marketing department, finance department, etc. This structure is functional as it improves the efficiency of each working group. Multi-divisional organization. In an organization of this kind, you can have many functional divisions with a small centralization. Most of the time, these divisions are independent of each other. Here, an organization is structured in various divisions in which people, with different skills, are held together according to a similar product, service, or geographic location. ACH division has the resources necessary in order to work and can carry out the task autonomously. Matrix organization. A matrix organizational structure is a hybrid between the functional organization and the project-oriented organization. In a matrix organization, there can be 2 main structures, vertical and horizontal. Here, an employee can be part of a functional group, but can also work on a project. In turn, a matrix organization can be of 3 types: a strong matrix, a weak matrix, a balanced matrix. Stronger organizations are closer to a project-oriented organization, and here the project manager has most of the authority and has a full-time team. On the other hand, weak matrix organizations are closer to a functional structure. In this case, the project manager has low authority, no budget control, and often runs a part-time project team. Instead, balanced matrix organizations unifies the properties of both previous types. Here, the project manager has a medium-low authority and a part-time team, while the budget is managed both directly by him and by the functional manager. Virtual organization. This structure is also known as virtual society. Here, the central organization is connected to external companies, such as vendors, customers, associates, with a network connection that allows to achieve business growth and profitability. This structure allows the organization to work as a unit. In a virtual structure, the organization maintains its core business, while the rest of the processes are outsourced. Sometimes, this type of organization is also known as an empty organization. Here, the project manager has a low-moderate authority and mixed power over the budget. The project team can be full or part-time depending on the situation. PMO. The PMO is also a mixed type of organizational structure, but here the project manager has the highest authority, controls the budget, and has a team completely at his disposal. Project-oriented, composite or hybrid organization. An organization of this type considers every job as a project. Here, the project manager has full authority to complete the project successfully, has a full-time role, budget control, and a full-time team available. A team-based organization is another name for a project-oriented organization. Hybrid. In a hybrid organization, a combination of the above-mentioned structure types can be used. Responsibility, authority, and other factors are also mixed depending on the structure. On this order, it is understood that the authority or power of project manager is least in simple or organic structure while most in project-oriented structure. Same goes to staff's role from part-time to full-time in this order. This is a table from PMI's PMBOK Guide 6th edition regarding organizational structure. Great job! See you in next video. Keep moving forward.